I started my YouTube journey 4.5 years ago, and in May of this year, I reached 100,000 subscribers. And I could have not done it without the support of my viewers and friends. So thank you. In this video, I'll be unboxing my YouTube Creator Award, but I also wanted to share my journey as a YouTuber before I do that. So as an introvert and socially awkward person, starting a YouTube channel was a giant leap of faith for me. I started my channel back in 2012, but failed because I was all over the place. I didn't have a niche. And when I decided to do YouTube again, I actually niched down and became an Etsy coach. And when I fully concentrated on this niche market, I knew that video marketing was the future. Plus, like I said, I always wanted to be a YouTuber since I started my journey in the digital space back in 2009. So when I started my YouTube channel, I was 5 months pregnant with my son, Jordan. I was doing everything and anything in my power not to show up on video. I would do screen shares. I didn't even show up on my video, nor did I add my face, which I am the brand, in the actual thumbnail. And I remember one of my coworkers, Dana, from an advertising agency that I work with, and she was telling me, you need to show up on video. You need to show your face. This is going to help you make connections with your audience. They're going to get to know you, like you, and trust you. And I remember rolling my eyes and saying in my head, whatever, you don't even know. You don't know more than me. You don't even have a channel yourself. Well, fast forward to my second year on YouTube. I started to show up on videos and I added my face to the thumbnails. And those two things tripled my YouTube income. It tripled my earnings from affiliate marketing and other products that I was promoting. It doubled my subscriber count. And even my audience started telling me themselves how great it was to finally see a face. So the biggest pitfall that entrepreneurs, including myself, I'm including myself in there, make is thinking that we know it all. Or just because someone else is not doing it, we can't take their advice. So I was wrong. And Dana, if you're watching this, you were absolutely right. It has not always been easy to manage my business, create videos, and still have some balance in my life. The last 4.5 years, I became a first-time parent. I also, in the first 2 years, had a full-time job while still working my full-time hustle. My husband had a brain tumor. He was operated. He's doing well now. He did take chemo and radiation. And we have gone through a pandemic, as you guys have. And I also been a single parent for 11 months. So it has been also a very lonely journey as well. Often the support, comments, DMs I get from you guys and the support that my husband gives me is what keeps me going. And of course, another thing that keeps me going is to teach my son Jordan that if mommy could do it, you could do it too. And I want to be transparent with you guys and talk about the real journey of being an entrepreneur. And it could be great at times, but could also be a roller coaster of emotions with highs and lows. I have experienced a great amount of support and love, but I also experienced bullying, people who talk down to me based on how I look, how I sound, how I speak, and my ethnicity. So it's not always a good feeling. And, many people say, just build a tough skin and move on. But for many of us, including myself, we're not built that way. It does take some time for us to develop a bit of tough skin. So if you have been wanting to start a YouTube channel or a business, but what's holding you back is the thought of what others might say, just do it. You can't control everything, and there are going to be people behind the screen who will try you. But just take the leap of faith and handle that when the situation comes. And by that time, you will be a lot stronger for it. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been there for me, who has subscribed to my channel, and most of all, those of you that have shown me kindness in the moments that I needed it the most and you guys didn't even know it. So before I continue crying, let's go ahead and unbox the YouTube Creators Award and see what actually comes inside of it. And I appreciate if you guys stay all the way to the end. And let me know in the comments if you took away something from this video. Also, if you guys have a YouTube channel, leave your channel name below. Leave a link below. Let's all help each other out. I will make sure to go and follow your channel as well. So it comes in a box, as you guys can see. And once you open it up, you have a congratulations from YouTube. And it just says, you know, some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? And it's just telling me in the spirit of YouTube, they present me with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. So you guys know, if you are a YouTuber right now, regardless if you have 1 subscriber or 200,000 subscribers or more, it is a hard thing to do, to put yourself out there in video week after week and create this amongst everything else that you're doing as an entrepreneur. So you do need to take some time when you receive an award like this and be proud of yourself and pat yourself in the back. And I'm showing this because I feel like if I could do it, you guys could definitely do it as well. So here is my award. Nancy Badillo, that's my name. And then it says for passing 100,000 subscribers. And this is going to go in my new office whenever we close on this house. But that's another thing I wanted to mention, is that I was able to reach this milestone not having an office, not having a camera, a fancy camera, not having half of the time a microphone, just with a ring light and a corner office in front of my living room. So if I could do it without any other fancy equipment and reach 100,000 subscribers, you guys could do it. Don't focus so much on what you don't have and focus on what you do have. And that will give you progress little by little. And as you start making money, you could invest a little bit more on your business. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments below. And thanks for watching.